Today at Model Corner, we'll be looking at the Gemini jets, American Airlines Boeing 7879 Dreamliner in 1/400 scale. As you can see, this model comes packaged in a very nice presentation box, which has an image of the plane on the front, identical to the one found in the box. As you can see, it has the airline it flew with, American Airlines, and the model of the plane, again, Boeing 7879. We turn over the back. Again, we've got another image of the plane and some information about what a Gemini jet is. Again, back to the front, you can lift the window up. You can see the plane inside the box without having to take it out. Of course, looking very nice already there. Then looking at the lid, we have some information about the plane. So here we have a brief history of the model of the Boeing 7879. And then we've got some little specification information here, such as its length, height and wingspan in feet and inches. And then maybe some other facts you might want to know, such as its seating capacity, its cruising speed, its range, and other things like that. Now let's open it up and have a look at the model inside. So there you go, there it is, nicely secured in. Now this model is a very nice die-cast metal plane, but there may be some smaller parts you have to be careful with. But as long as you treat it with respect, you shouldn't damage your model at all. There's the plane, do it gently, and there you have it. The Boeing 7879 Dreamliner in an American Airlines livery. As you can see, we've got the standard American Airlines logo and livery on it, with the grey. We have the American flag on the vertical stabilizer, the classic of the American Airlines livery. Now let's look at some of the more finer details. So you see, here we can see all the flaps and ailerons in it. We can have a look at the wingtips. Here you can see very nice detailed jet engines. You can see inside the jet, very nicely detailed. We can see the very nice landing gear. Now these are the parts you want to be careful with, as these might be the more delicate parts with the landing gear. Let's look at the elevators. You can see here, we've got the elevators on the stabilizers even, and the rudder on the vertical. Now let's look here. We can see a registration of N835AN, and we've got, of course, a little American flag next to it, just to make sure you really know that this is an American plane. Now let's turn it around and have a look at this side as well. Again, still American Airlines livery, registration again, tons and tons of lovely detail on this plane, and it has a wingspan of about 15 centimeters and it's about 15.8 centimeters long. Of course, this is the 789, which is just a lengthened version of the 788. And this model is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.